Generator is sitting underneath these covers. We had a lot of shit weather. Still need to build a roof for it. And I finally got an exhaust as well, so I'm going to put that on today or tomorrow. I need to get another gasket made. Here we got the new muffler. We got one of these dust caps on it too. So I need to get that installed, and I need to make up a gasket. Got a gasket for the flange here, 3-inch tubing, so I need to get it sorted. And I also scored another 20 or so meters dumpster find. They're all being chucked out. So I must grab those at the same time. So there's a whole lot of email. I like the number on this one. 2444333 M3Is and some of my Slumbergers. And some of these E-squares, 15100 ampere. And a couple of 2-way lenses and gyros. Now I got finally sorted. I got a silencer or a muffler, whatever you want to call it. Luckily my measurements were accurate. It fits perfectly under the deck. Clearances are good. I'm just going to make a guide there for the exhaust dust and whatever comes out of the device. Might give it a start, see if it goes. The batteries are 12.8 and 12.6 volts, so yeah, why not give it a shot. Well, let's see if she starts up. Haven't fired it up for about 7 weeks. Won't be doing a load check today. That's this starts here, the exhaust goes for a short test run. Okay, that's on. I'll give it a shot, see what happens. Leaked a bit, that's not good, that's good. Okay, I'm going to run the generator for a couple of hours today. Let's enjoy the action. Change the indicators here now. Red is for the generator and orange is for the mains. I'm going to pop a transfer switch, power off and power on. Both indicators will be on, but that is correct because the generator is on and the mains, but we separated from the mains. The meters are spinning, all good. A transfer switch is essential on a generator to isolate the mains from the public supply. 334006. Sine wave from the generator supply. That's perfect sine wave.
probably running a bit under 49.8 Hz, and you see the sound wave shift a little bit. The frame rate of the camera is 50 frames per second. All the meters are diesel powered at the moment. It's really nice to see. Oh, that meter's going backwards, that's interesting. This meter got me puzzled. I thought, why the hell is it going backwards? But from the mains I run the house in single phase supply. Now I run the house in 3-phase supply, and the potential call from this one is feed from another phase. This is sitting on the hot water phase, while the light circuit goes to this meter that sits on the red phase. That is very cool. I like that. I didn't even know that. Fantastic.
Sound of silence. Good work. 18.1, 9.2, 16.7, and the hour meter is 1206 point something, can't see it. So the readings are a bit clearer now. 18.1, 9.2, 16.7. that meter had no load on it, and just gonna pour this diesel into the reserve tank, and it can get burnt up in the next time when I run the generator. It's probably after the holiday. So diesel does gel. That's was the R&D part to check out, and yeah, put it in the reserve. Yesterday we used about 6 liters of diesel on the Testrun. It's all good. Oh yeah, the Hora water 121206 point. These numbers are hard to see. You can see 7 or something, and 17.5.